Got a nice looking agate nodule coming out right here. Let's get it out on camera, take it home, cut it, and see what kind of gemstone is hidden inside. Oh yeah. And another one. It is solid. There it is. One very nice agate nodule. Now let's take this home, cut it open, and hope there's a gemstone inside. Yeah. The agate is mounted in the saw. Let's cut it up and see what's inside. And we'll cut a slab and then see what we can make. And there we go. We have a slab. End cap, a slab, and the rest of the rock. Let's see what I can figure out to make out of that. Three shapes roughed in. Three cabs roughed in, ready for the long process of polishing. That is definitely my favorite. Pre-polish is done. Now to give it that final little pop, the final shine. Again, I love that guy. There we go, 3 agate cabochons ready to put the bail on and make independence.